Hi guys, and welcome to the video by EduMark. Learn how to install Python on Windows, Mac, Linux versions depending upon the OS versions as well. So now Python is one of the very latest and prominently used language, so we will see how to install them. The video is provided by EduMark India Institute. So now let's begin with the course, how to download it. As you can see, we need a browser over here. We open the browser. In the browser we will have open Google website. In the Google website we will search for downloading Python. As we can see over here, the Python application website is available. Once I will click on the website, it will redirect me to the Python website, that is python.org. I will mention the link of the website in the description that you can easily access. As we can see over here, we have came over here. It provides you the different OS: Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and other OS which are supported. When we will scroll down, we will have various versions of it, various stable versions. Now latestly Python has released 3.8.3, which is released in May 13, 2020. Right, this is used for the Windows 10 and 8, but the one who are using Windows 7 or Windows 7 Service Pack 1 and all, they are recommended to use Windows 3.4. That's Python 3.4 in this, which will be very helpful in this because that's a stable version for Windows 7 Service Pack 1, which was released in March 18, 2019. As you can see, I'm highlighting over here. So we can click on the download and it will redirect us to the download page of Windows 3 for the Windows 7 for Python 3.4. You will just scroll up and I will show you how to install the latest versions, and the installation process is same for Mac, Windows, and other operating system. Only the Linux has the command prompt. You have to use the terminal over there using command language. At the end I will show the way how to download and install for the Linux as well. So basically it gives you some instructions that how you can use for Mac OS users and Windows OS users. Now as we are aware that Windows has basically two bits of OS, 64-bit and 32-bit. Normally we say 32-bit as a 684 and 64 as 86-64. You can see over here we have mentioned the operating system, that is which OS it is supporting, that is Mac or Windows. Now you're also thinking, what about the Linux are not allowed to download over here. They are easily can use the command language to do the stuff, which the end I will show. As you can see, for 32-bit we suggest to use x86 executable installation, which will be better supported, and for 64 86-64 executable installation, which will be very helpful. Many PCs have some security parameters. They see that you are not allowed to install unverified app of Microsoft, but at the bottom can you see we have an option called as change recommendation. You can click on that, you can verify it. Once that's done, you can select on install anyway. Once you click on install anyway, it allows you to install it. Now as you can see, we have two options to install. One is the default path, and the other one we can basically select a customized location where to install. It's a very small and easy installation, so it does not take much more time. As you can see, I have not made it very fast forward. It's normal installation time taken. It is installing Python 8.3.3 3.8.3 64-bit setup. Python is very easy and useful language, and very much used nowadays because of the user-friendly environment and the coding syntaxes and all. And it's very hard to understand how to install, and nowadays people do have a query how to download and install Python. Very soon we are going to launch a video for Java as well, many different programming languages, how to install them, how to download them. So stay tuned on the website and on the channel, and don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. We are providing the solutions all around the clock. If you have any doubt, any query faced by you for the installation, you can just mention us in the comment section at the bottom. We'll be happy to help you easily as soon as possible, and we will help you to expedite the installation and other processes as well. Now we will see once it's installed that how I can open idle or not, IDLE, that is development environment. Once I open it, right, I will check which version is it. As I see at the top, it says 3.8.3 shell, but then also I will just check, it says 3.8.3 installation. Now I will see how the Linux command has been executed in this. Linux command we require to give the syntax. I am mentioning the syntax over here. Just you have to type that much in on your terminal, and boom, your installation process will start, and it will automatically install Python directly without downloading any stuff. Just you need to give the syntax. The syntax goes here: